So we meant to do this yesterday because we have to pick our big winners for our Victrola giveaway. Isn't Victrola so amazing for sponsoring this giveaway? So first we're going to pick the winner for this Eastwood LP Turntable.
Okay.
Pick one.
Here it is.
Okay, so Nancy, we will be giving you a call, and thank you for also folding it down so that it didn't get stuck to other ones. So Nancy, you are our big winner for our turntable. Now we got to pick some winners for some vinyl shelves.
Okay, let's
So
do
then we can start. You can start your own vinyl wall.
Here
Have
it
a
is.
vinyl wall just like mine. Brady, we will be calling you for a vinyl shelf. So let's take this one.
Okay.
And there are, look how cool these are. There are two shelves, and you can hook them up to your walls, and you can you can have them on a tabletop, and you can start your own vinyl wall to have all the vinyl displayed behind you. How cool is that?
So awesome.
Oh no, Brady, you got stuck to me. Okay, there we go. Okay, I need you to pick me another one. I need a good one. I need a good one.
Here it is. It's coming. It's coming.
Okay, we got a one.
Yeah.
Okay, we have Nicole.
Woo.
So Nicole, we will be giving you a call. Here's your vinyl shelf.
Well, okay.
2 wood and metal floating shelves.
Everybody's a winner.
They're gonna float. Well, not everybody, but we're picking lots of winners.
Okay, here's the other winner of the day.
Okay, and now we have Keith.
Yeah,
Keith, we're gonna give you a call because here is your vinyl shelf. Because isn't Victrola just absolutely amazing? Like, isn't this so much fun? You never know who's gonna win. So we gotta pick one last winner.
Another winner coming
One
up.
more winner.
Okay, from the bottom.
From the bottom?
Yeah.
Okay.
There it is.
And this is Chris.
Rest.
Chris, we will be giving you a call as well for your pair of vinyl shelves. So again, we have to say thank you to Victrola for sponsoring this awesome Record Store Day giveaway and for putting out such fabulous products.
That's right.